What I like to do?
Would you like to view the tail, or could I ask you to move? Would you like that?
You people get paid for doing what you're told.
Are you telling me, sir, that you are not going to move from there?
Are you a police officer?
I'm not. I'm asking you politely. Please?
Yeah, it could be. Where do you want me to go?
Right?
Where do you want me to go?
Anywhere you like. You can watch what's going on. No problem at all. No, we're not telling you to go away.
Well, it was me who asked.
I'll go down there if you're happy then. Trouble is, hi. Oh, you're coming here, Nick. So, he's back there and waiting.